All right, today we are going to dive deep into an analysis of Tesla, which, as you probably know, is publicly traded and listed right there on the NASDAQ exchange. What I'm really excited to do with you today is to present my unique set of indicators, a topic that, has garnered quite a bit of interest from one of our valued community members. Now, here's the best part, folks. These indicators, as I'm about to demonstrate, work incredibly well for stocks, not just cryptocurrencies. And even better, they are available to you completely free of charge. Yes, you heard that right, free. So let's zoom in a little bit and take a good look at Tesla specifically. We're observing the Tesla chart right now on a 4-hour time frame, which gives us a nice detailed yet broad enough perspective. And what we're going to examine are these wonderful indicators. Specifically, our proprietary CryptoQuebec EI Trend Index, version 2, a thoroughly developed and refined tool, is giving us some truly insightful, actionable information, which I'll detail further in the description for those who want to explore it more. Just take a look here. Can you see what I'm seeing? We have a clear divergence, a very obvious and undeniable divergence. Wouldn't you agree? It's really quite blatant. What you do in such a situation, as the strategy advises, is to enter your position right here. And then, as you observe the Relative Strength Index, RSI, reaching around the 200 mark, you either pause your trade, lighten your position, or you patiently wait for a clear blue reversal candlestick to manifest on the chart. If you had followed this precise strategy on this particular trade, you would have seen a phenomenal return, generating approximately 20%, maybe even a little bit more, around 21% profit. That's a significant gain for a single trade, especially on a stock like Tesla. Now, a common question, and a very valid one at that, might be, should you have considered shorting at this point? Well, you certainly could have considered a short position, aiming to capitalize on a move down towards the bottom of the channel. However, and this is a crucial point, because we couldn't definitively ascertain the exact location of the channel's bottom at that specific moment, it's quite probable that taking such a short position.
Right here, you've got your vectorial candle, accompanied by a clear bubble that explicitly says buy. In fact, it's a CryptoQuebec specific bubble that announces buy signal, or even better, big buy signal. And what you're observing, this remarkable 71% gain, isn't just indicated by a green candle. It's a prominent blue candle, which, yes, comes with a bit of volume, but the signal remains absolutely valid and strong. The presence of volume merely reinforces the conviction behind the signal, making it even more reliable. Therefore, if you consistently follow your finger, that is to say, if you meticulously follow the impulse waves as they develop, you simply cannot go wrong with this strategy. It's incredibly robust. Now, as the price continues its upward trajectory, it's going to reach the top boundary here. If for whatever reason you are not inclined to take a short position at that point, you certainly have the option to short down to the lower boundary of that channel should the conditions align. Otherwise, if you've successfully capitalized on your initial impulse move, that particular impulse will bring the price to approximately this area, and simultaneously, the bottom of the channel will be situated right there. Consequently, you will then look to initiate a long position, perhaps around the 403 or more precisely the 403.11 mark, preparing to ride the next significant impulse wave upwards. And what do you think is going to happen next, my friends? It's going to repeat the very same pattern. Absolutely. It's going to do the exact same thing again. Do you understand the consistency of this? It's really not complicated at all. It's the very same pattern. And
I truly hope you found this analysis enjoyable and insightful. I want to extend a massive thank you to all of you for watching, and I sincerely look forward to seeing you all again very, very soon.